Imagine a single app that completely replaces your social feed, your workplace tools, and your daily utilities. Welcome to IM Connect. At its core, IM Connect starts with a sleek, creator focused social media ecosystem. Users can share stunning visuals, track views, and engage seamlessly within a premium. Tapping into your profile reveals a comprehensive hub for professionals. Here, you can manage your content portfolio, embed external links. The integrated messaging center allows you to network with users, businesses, and groups to build real world collaborations. Tapping the menu gives you immediate access to a full suite of applications, starting with a localized jobs portal to find immediate employment. Need transportation? The IMCabs interface aggregates major global ride-sharing and partner networks directly inside your dashboard. Stay ahead of the curve with Articles, a native publishing platform hosting breaking news, trending tech updates, and community journalism with IM Explore. You can bypass external browsers entirely. Run your favorite social media platforms or next-generation AI tools like ChatGPT directly within the app. Shopping is made effortless through the native IM store, consolidating trending electronics, wellness products, and everyday essentials into an elegant e-commerce experience. When it's time to order food, IM Eats aggregates your favorite food delivery networks into a single centralized discovery hub. The platform features its own internal reward mechanism with IM Coins, allowing users to monetize engagement and subscribe to premium benefits. For entertainment, IM Films aggregates upcoming movie trailers, streaming partners, and media content customized to your region. Businesses can scale their reach on demand using the native IM Ads self-service manager to deploy targeted campaigns. And to drive social impact, the transparent IM Charity dashboard displays community contributions directly supporting critical global welfare programs. The global search engine filters down across local users, live web results, and AI models. With real-time notifications keeping you updated and a dedicated short-form video player for continuous entertainment, everything you need is right here.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.